Anyways, got a little bit of a newer upgrade of my little paint job. Looks a bit less shinier. I have little problems of mine. It looks a lot shinier. Anyways, looks better than ever. Alright, let's go watch some TV. We'll probably watch Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Alright, on Channel 5. Good evening, folks. I'm Bob Tuttles here. Daryl Partridge isn't here because it's a very bad weather for today. And before I tell you this, I want to show you the world's cutest kitten in this world. I guess so. Anyways, let's bring you the cameraman. Kathy Copter. Alright, Bob Cutlass. I'm here with this cute little kitty. She is a very cute little kitty. And she is staring at me at the camera. So, wait, I think she's about to talk or meow or something. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. I want your pets. You heard that? The kitty wants some pets. Anyways, now it's time to talk about this weather report. It's so bad. Like, it's a whole lot snowy outside. So, if you're out here going outside, I can recommend that you never get out of your house until tomorrow. Alright? Anyways, see you there. Well, a weather report. Okay. It is kind of getting really chilly outside. What the heck, Mater? What's going on? It's so cold in here. Did you ever check the weather report? It's like so snowing outside. By the way, what's that? Ow! Don't poke me with that. You should never poke this to anyone else. Kids, don't poke sharp things in your eyes. It's very painful. And anyways, it's so cold outside. I'll never expect that. The machine is never meant for, like, to have a bad weather report. Apparently it is what it is. But we're not going outside. But why? Because it's very cold outside, very snowy outside. I can't risk of being buried by snow. So why didn't you go outside? I'm not going outside. It's way too cold. It's gonna be a lot of snow. But Lana, I forgot something. What do you literally forgot? McDonald's. McDonald's! How you forgot about McDonald's? I literally did not. And plus, did the restaurant should be closing because of during the weather? I'm not picking you up, McDonald's. Please, I'm begging you. No, it's way too cold. I'll give you $5. It's not even gonna cover it's literally not gonna be covering all the money. But why you're laughing? I don't know. You're making me laugh. I'm not giving you McDonald's. Please, I'm desperate. I don't care. Like, just eat something in the house except McDonald's. We don't have McDonald's in the house. And by the way, you have an unhealthy obsession with McDonald's. Please, I'm hungry. Go eat in the kitchen when we have a kitchen. Not going to a fast food where we have Big Macs. We don't have Big Macs, no, but we can make cheeseburger. It's not the same. It's literally the same. No, it's not. Please. Okay, fine. I will do it just to get you to shut up. Thank you. Oh God, it's so cold in here. Okay, calm down. Whoa! What the? Okay. Okay. Wait, what the what? What the? What, Mario? Wait, are you movie Mario or game Mario? What? It's me. Remember the adventures we did? Mushroom Kingdom? Wait a minute. Mario? Why do you look like your game counterpart? I don't know. I really don't know. But I do kind of like it. Okay, then. Anyways, should get back to the sewers, to the warp pipe. I'm going to just need to get to the grocery stores. Could I just wait? Or we died. Anyways, alright. Oh, we get sewers. Alright, hold on. Alright. Thank you. Lightning. Good to see you again. Anytime, Mario. Come visit anytime. Alright. Let's go. Good to see Mario again. Alright. Now time to go to McDonald's and stupid. Great. This is gonna probably yell at me. Or something. Wait, what the heck is that? Oh no. Oh no. Luckily, it's done. What the? Strange. Whoa! That's a little bump. Gotta see what's going on. Okay. Lightning! Are you okay? I can hear a heartbeat. Come on, let's take you back inside. You know, it's been hours. I wonder where Lightning is at. Ow! Mater! He's all frozen! What? Oh. Lightning, did you get the McDonald's? What? Is that why he was outside? You told him to go get him McDonald's. Well, he has played him. Look, I'm gonna call a doctor. You give him something warm. Alright, call the doctor. What are you doing? I'm licking him. Why? He's a popsicle. He's not a popsicle! Can you not call me when I'm literally in the clinic? Sorry, I had to. What's so important for me to come all the way to your house? For what? He's frozen. Why is he frozen? Because he went outside for no reason. Mater asked him to give him some McDonald's food, and it's like, here we are. Mater, you were literally... Why am I not that surprised? Alright, let's see what I can do. Okay, let's see. He's already frozen. I know how to settle this. What is it? What was that for? Thought I hit it the ground. I thought I threw it very hard, and then it will just break the ice. Oh no, I think I see a little cracked pieces. So I'm just gonna try again. All right. I'm very sorry, Lightning. Oh, Lightning. Oh God! It's so cold. You're back. Wait, I'm not in the cold anymore. And who threw me? Why are you looking at me? Baba! No, it's not me. It was Chick. Huh? Chick Hicks, I'ma strangle you!
No, I didn't do anything wrong!
Wait, hold on a second. Technically, he defrosted you, right?
Fine. I guess so.
Stop lying yourself! You're the one throwing it at him!
But I defrosted you! Okay, fine. It was a little exceptional. I forgive you. And Mayor, don't you dare ask me to go get McDonald's after this because I was frozen!
I was helping you by licking the popsicle.
Whatever. And by the way, here's $100.
Ooh, sweet.
What? $100? For what?
For saving my life.
I actually did.
He didn't do anything. Stop lying, chick. You know you're a liar.
I'm gonna go home.
Good luck with that and wait. I just realized. Are we gonna have another snowstorm again? Probably. Stop it. I said stop!
Oh, I can't wait to... Ow! Oh, it's storming again? Cold. Wait. Alright, need to get back to my trailer. Wait,
What? I feel like there's something coming on over there.
oh my god! Wait. Oh,